Hi everybody, welcome back. For today's video, we are going to be celebrating summer. And what better way to do that than with flip-flop cakes? These are so cute, very beautiful, perfect for any summer party, any summer occasion. So let's go ahead and get started. So first, of course, you will need a cake. And we baked a delicious vanilla cake. I will leave the recipe in the description box below. And we baked it in a 16 by 12 sheet cake pan. So let's proceed and cut our cake in the shape of the flip-flop. Now we are using templates that I will leave the attachment for in the description box below, and you can get it printed out in whatever size you like according to the size of your cake. Make sure to keep your knife always in a vertical position. You don't want to bend it. And of course you want to remove all the excess, and we are actually going to keep all of this cake to make cake pops in the future. We have great cake pop tutorials on our channel. We are using our Swiss meringue buttercream. We do have a video on how to make it. I will leave it in the description box below. And to give it a nice summery touch, we added 2 tablespoons of store-bought passion fruit puree. We're going to frost the entire cake. So we let our cake chill in the fridge for about 15 minutes, and now we get to the fun part, the decorating. So the first step is we are going to take fondant, and you're going to cut a strip the width of the cake and just attach it to the sides. So for the top of the flip-flop, we are going to use a frosting sheet. We printed this using an edible printer. And you can have this done in most supermarkets, or you can also order some online. For our straps, you are going to need wooden skewers and Twizzlers. So for our second flip-flop, we are going to cover it entirely with fondant. So just like the first one, first cover the sides. So now with some more fondant and the back of a tip, we are going to cut out some dots to decorate the flip-flop. And now to finish it off, let's fix around the flip-flops. So we are going to add some buttercream, and now we're sprinkling some crushed graham crackers. To top it off, of course, we need some seashells, and you can arrange them just as you'd like. Okay, to make our seashells, we are using fondant and these really cute shell molds. First, you want to cover them up with some cornstarch just so that they don't stick. So you take your white fondant, and to give it a nice color, you take a very small amount of either orange or brown. You want to mix it. You don't need to mix it in 100%. You want to give it a nice marble look. Beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed our video. We know we had so much fun making these. And make sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell for more fun and easy videos.